So what's up guys, welcome back again. So for the sake of us that have little accounts, like maybe $100 above, I don't know, but I believe this should actually work for like account $100 account. So actually this range break index, I don't know how to trade it, and I tried every way in able to catch a spike, because as you can see it's just a spike. If it's the ranging and it will just a spike, it will spike. But like I always said, nobody is born with a strategy, we all develop it. So what I do is I monitor it. Since last month I never even know that this stuff exists before. So what I did was I have to monitor this and see how it's work. I take my time. I took my time. I took almost 2 days in able to for me to monitor it in how to catch up this spike. And trust me, I'm unable to catch up this spike. You see this one I just make it just in less than a minute or 2 minutes, and I'm going to explain it how you are going to. It's now depend on your account size. So I just sacrifice that. Okay, let me deposit like 500 bucks here, and so far so good. I have able to at least get a positive feedback, because as you can see I've even triple the accounts. Is almost 2,000 bucks now from $500. So that is exactly how I take this account to. Now I noticed something. After a spike, there is a tendency that is going to reverse, though it's going to range. So this range, I only trade this range. I don't trade this because I still don't know how this spike work. I'm still working on it. But for those of you, I don't want to do it alone. I want us to do it together in case anybody has idea on how the spike work, so that we can both share it together. I believe this will actually work for the people that have a small account, so that they can be able to grow their account only. But according to my own strategy now is I'm coming according to my strategy, you see this, anytime there is spike, once the spike come down, it will reverse small, it will reverse, it will do the ranging. So I only trade this ranging like this. Now you see this now, after it spike up, there is little ranging, and once I do is I just place my trade. Let me place a trade and see. Like this now, you see the way I place aggressive trade. So this, look at it, I'm currently in profit now. This is how I just keep scalping. I move out of the market immediately, and look at it. This is how I keep scalping. Trust me, this is how I was able to accumulate this money, especially I did it in a weekend. So actually gold showed me some shaggy last week, and because um this is gold. I actually don't use this account for gold trading. So let me finish this first before we go to gold. Here I use 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, and as you can see I don't use any indicator on it. So like I told you, I don't know how to trade this, but that is my own strategy. It's just a scalping strategy, which you need to be very proactive. Remember, these things are very very sensitive, and if you are not proactive, they can take your money, they can take away your money. You just see, in just a minute, it's not even up to a minute, immediately I place it, sell since my balance, I have a good capital small now. Once I press like sell like 20 and I'm using, it now depend on your lot size. You can use 0.01, but as you can see I'm using 0.2 for now. So immediately I press like 5 sell immediately, or 6, I can press it aggressively. So that's why I'm using MT5. Let me show you one again. Let me see if we can succeed on this. But this is not actually advisable. It's only advisable when you see the spike. Once you see the spike, you can do it. But for now, it's not advisable because we don't know which time the next spike is coming. So I just want to share it so that we are going to monitor it together and see when the spike we usually comes, and we learn together. So let's go to the gold. Here is gold. As you can see, gold has been golding for almost 2 weeks now. In normal time, anytime we have a bullish week, we tend to have some bearish reversal, and gold has proven its stubbornness not to reverse. You see from here, it broke the new time high from here. Yeah, I think it's from here. Sorry, it was around 35.01. That was the previous all-time highs to gold. So it broke it, and after it broke it, trust me, each and every one of us, we were expecting that a reversal should come. But since there was no reversal, and this is the reason why, you see, Donald Trump, right? Like I always tell you, in this era of Donald Trump, sometimes technical analysis doesn't work. Trust me. It's not that you don't know how to trade. You know how to trade, but there are some things that move the market. Now, people, gold is safe haven. Gold is not a currency or something. People are moving their currency. They are moving their money to buy gold. And that is why you are seeing this massive. Just because the way Trump is shaking everywhere, is imposing tariff plan in many things. So they are now using, instead of them to be trading all this dollar blah blah like that will give them some headache, the big boys are now focusing in buying gold. The more all these small red candle you are seeing, it's just that some people are taking their profits. That is why they sell. But trust me, the reason why gold is moving is because of all this tariff. It's not just that natural. And we pray that, I'm not even praying, if you like it should go down, if you like it should not go down. I will focus on another pair, because trust me, I was even confused for almost 2 days in how to carry out the analysis. But because I know that it was in uptrend, yes. Once they say follow the trend is your friend, I believe in that too. But in a situation where you try to follow the trend and it goes against you, how are you going to do? Let's assume I throughout the last week, I only trade just one. I lose Monday trade, then Tuesday I no trade, on Wednesday I trade, and I make some cash as well. So on Thursday, Friday, I did not trade. Then that Friday was NFP. I wasn't available throughout. So I wasn't available. In fact, last week was very busy, so I did not focus on trading. But this week, being Monday, I did not trade good. I just look at it and I try to enter buy, and as I pick out some, maybe like just a little pips, less than $100, and I just move away. Because trust me, I don't know what but I knew that we are still in bullish due to all this is tariff stuff, so people are still buying gold. And for now, let's just see what will happen. But for now, I am still learning another strategy because we must chop. My daily 2k must come out from here. So, and I decide to use my energy on this as well, which is range break. And some of you asked me to drop a video on this, as you can see. So a little move to this, it actually give me some pips. A little move to this. So for now, I will just monitor it and wait for the range. For those in this is actually will work for people that doesn't have work like me, because if you want to you can't just be monitor it blah blah. So I am working on how to catch up the spike. Once I'm able to discover it, I will let you guys know, because I have checked everywhere and I can't see any tangible. Use indicator, it will not work. It will not work. Trust me, you can't use indicator on this. It will not work. I'm not sure that indicator work, because I've used indicator, it no work. So I am just trying to develop my own strategy and see how it's going to give me my own joy. So that is all for now. And if you have any question, please do not hesitate to reach out to the community. There will surely be an answer. And also, for those of us keep trading, we still have a lot of people that are helping out. So it's not just matter of only one person. We have a lot of good traders that are helping out. So you can follow their signals. I've been seeing their signal and it has been doing very, very wonder. So that is just all for now.